Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many TurboTax users face: forgetting your password. With tax season just around the corner in 2025, it's crucial to stay on top of your account security. Don't worry. Resetting your password is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be logged back in and ready to go. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. You'll find it easily by searching TurboTax Login on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, look for the Login section on the homepage. That's where you'll see a Forgot Password or Reset Password link. Click on that to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your TurboTax account. Make sure it's the correct one, as this is how they'll send you the reset instructions. After you submit your email, check your inbox or your spam folder, just in case. TurboTax will send you an email with a secure link to reset your password. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong. Mix in uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Remember, a good password is your first line of defense against hackers. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, hit Submit. Finally, return to the TurboTax login page, enter your email and your shiny new password, and voila, you're back in. It really is that simple. As a quick tip, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account to add an extra layer of protection. This way, even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your info without your phone or another verification method. There you have it, folks. You've successfully reset your TurboTax password for 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.